It's a bright sunny morning. We have a very eventful day. Multiple things happening. We are going for a podcast today. Before that, let's do a quick half an hour workout. Look at this beauty. Let me take a bite for you guys. Simple, so good, man, and healthy. Madam is working. We are come to the mall for a quick errand. So let's quickly to the mall, then we head to our podcast. We have exactly half an hour. So let's wrap it up.
So guys, our first stop is the mall because we come here to get a t-shirt for Bosco because Bosco has decided that none of his t-shirts are good for the podcast today. So we come here to get a t-shirt for him, and this is something that he would not do. This is something that I would do. But guess I'm just influencing him now. So this is a short clip from our podcast. We were invited to speak about our creator journey, how we started, what challenges we faced, lessons learned, advice for people thinking about getting into content creation, etc. It was a fun couple hours, easy flow conversation. The full video will be out on YouTube soon and you can watch it then.
Sev puri, dosa, chutney, chai. My wife. We're here at Kamath because Kamath serves healthy dosas. Yes, Sev puri is not healthy, I understand, but Kamath serves healthy dosas. Not healthy dosas, like if you see the dosa, also the texture, there's no much of oil. It's kind of guilt-free. We're trying to keep it healthy. We have not eaten lunch. We are just done with the podcast. We are super hungry. We said because there were all burger joints, Arabic joints, and all. We go and eat from Kamath. So let's eat.
You're looking like Salman Khan from Bodyguard movie.
Lovely.
Bodyguard. Lovely scene.
Bodyguard, lovely thing reporting now.
You're gonna have a little sip of Bosco's chai. Bosco's in a meeting right now. He's finalizing his boxes and the packaging for.
ये मेरा ऑलमोस्ट मेरा अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना
L1, level 1.
Sure?
Yeah, Baba, 100%.
LBP
100%.
Expensive coffee always.
It's not expensive, guys.
2 dirhams a tea hai.
What rubbish? It was not 2 dirhams.
There were people.
There were people.
What? Quickly got changed. Went to distribute some iftar boxes and met the boys. And the movie we're watching is Oh Romeo.
Finally, we have been dealing this movie. We've watched all the other movies except Oh Romeo. देखते कैसा है.
Yes, a lot of A lot of mixed reviews actually for it.
But the actors are so good.
Yes, Shahid Kapoor, man, come on. And yes, the IMDb and Rotten Tomatoes ratings also are average, not pretty excellent, but we have to give it a try for
What's
Shahid,
the
man.
IMDb rating?
5.9 and Rotten Tomatoes 64%.
5.9?
Yes.
That's too low. But
Yes.
anyway, we are going for the
Shahid-
acting.
Yes, for Shahid Kapoor.
But first, we are actually starving. After Kamath, we haven't eaten anything. So we're going to go to the food court, find something healthy to eat.
Yes.
And something small because we want to grab some popcorn for the movie.
Yes. One of our favorite fast food burgers, beef burgers, is the steakhouse from Burger King. I can't believe we have just taken one burger and we're sharing.
Normally, we would take 2 meals.
2, 3, 4 meals, I don't know how many.
Yeah.
But because we are healthy eating and we wanted something,
So we're sharing half a burger.
we're sharing half a burger, and of course we have to have some popcorn also, right? Good boy, good girl. Look at this. We just got done with the movie. The movie was good. The acting was good. The story was good. But I feel there was too much. 3 hours movie. It could have they could easily cut it by half an hour. Yeah. Too much of songs. Too much of romance in between, which is not needed. I think so because the story was so good. The actor. Forget Shahid Kapoor, Nana Patekar. What an actor, man! What an actor.
Yeah.
Right? We had gone to Barjuman to watch the movie. I don't know. I want to put this out. I want to let it out. So we were on the second row, four of us, okay, enjoying our movie. Third row and fourth row. So third row there was a group of boys, okay, who were like, I don't know. I felt disgusted sitting next to them because every time an actress, someone is coming, they're making cheap sounds. I am a person who has been to Getty Galaxy, danced on whistles, on various songs and whatnot. They were talking throughout the movie loudly, like I can understand whispering and talking, but they were talking so loudly. And there was another group.
Serious scene, they were laughing.
Yeah, even on a serious scene, they were laughing and loudly, talking to each other loudly. And this group behind us, they were talking loudly. And every actress like Tamanna Bhatia or what is her name? Tripti. So they're taking her name, making like dirty, cheap sounds.
It felt like they were watching the movie at home, not in the theater.
Yeah, no civic sense at all. I don't know, man. One of the worst experiences.
Actually, it was the first time we've experienced something in Dubai.
Yes, first time.
We have experienced something like this, but it was not as bad as this one.
Yes, this was extreme. Others we would have talked
Yeah,
about
we
it.
would not speak about
Yeah.
it. Anyway, the movie was good.
Yes.
I think from my side it was 6 out of 10.
Yes.
What about you?
6 out of 10. I'm giving it a 6 only for the storyline.
The acting was really
The acting of Nana Patekar and Shahid Kapoor both, and the dialogues that were in the movie. Yeah.
Even the villain also did a
Yes,
good job.
the villains also did a good job, but Nana Patekar stole the show.
Yeah.
Shahid Kapoor's the second lead, who was his best friend or his partner in that, he did
Yeah,
a
he did a
good
good
acting.
job, yeah.
Overall, it's a one-time watch in a theater because the sound effects,
Prime gonna be a Prime.
it's going to be on Prime soon, so you will definitely get bored at home. It's stretched too much.
The one good thing is that you can forward all the songs
Yes,
and everything. So, yeah.
the songs are too much, my god. But anyways, it was a good day, good
Yeah,
Friday
good.
spent.
Yes.
See you guys in the
Our
next
next vlog.
vlog. Bye bye.